Welcome to Gallabox tutorial series. Today we will learn how to create canned responses with WhatsApp forms in Gallabox to save time and improve customer experience. As you know, canned response are pre-composed messages designed for immediate sharing with customers to address frequently asked questions. They save you time and ensure uniform communication with your customers. Let's navigate to Settings on the left menu and select Canned Responses to get started creating your own. Tap on Add New Canned Response. Craft a clear and descriptive name for your response for easy searching. No need to worry about channel selection, it's automatically set to WhatsApp. Now, craft your message. Make your message stand out by using clever formatting and include fun emojis to engage your readers. Want to personalize it? Simply click on Add Variable to insert customizable elements such as the customer's name. Click on Form under the button options. Create a clear call to action (CTA) for your button text, like fill out the form or provide feedback. Select the WhatsApp form that have been previously created and published by you. The Custom Settings section allows you to designate specific team members or a specific user or even a bot to interact with customers' responses received from forms. Once everything's set, click the Save Response button to create your powerful canned response with a built-in form. This can be shared from Compose box in the Shared Team inbox. Find the responses on WhatsApp forms under Flows in the left navigation. Select the specific form to review all responses collected through it. There you have it. Powerful canned responses with built-in forms. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments, what other Gallabox features would you like to explore? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Gallabox tips. See you next time.